Hello everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at our GPU installation right after the intro. Okay everyone, so in my previous video I did my video editing PC build and I was lacking a GPU. And it took me quite a long time and it was very stressful, but finally I was able to secure an RTX 3090 for my video editing PC build. So I'll go ahead and put a card up in the upper right hand corner for the previous video if you want to go back and take a look at that. But I had a GTX 1080 in my system that was transferred over from my old PC, and I put that in during the build video. So in this video I'm going to take that out, put the new RTX 3090 in, and then I'll be back to wrap up. But let's go ahead and take a look first at what it looks like in the system. So this is the system all completed and all set up. One last thing I want to note, I know what a lot of you are probably thinking, that I paid a scalper for this card. I did not. I actually obtained it from a retail store, paying retail price. I would not, under any circumstances, advise anyone to pay scalping prices, as it just makes it more and more difficult for the rest of us to get our hands on GPUs. Folks, remember to hit that thumbs up button to help other YouTubers find quality content. And then click on subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified anytime we add new content. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the GTX 1080 out of the system. Now we're going to unbox our GeForce RTX 3090. In the package we have a support bracket for certain cases, and of course the installation guide. This card is packaged pretty well. It's a pretty sizable card also. Notice we have 3 power connectors. And we're going to remove the plastic shrink wrap before we install it. There's also a protective cover on the bottom. Now I sped this up a little bit so that the video didn't take too long, but not so much so that you can't see what's going on here. So now I'm just plugging in the power connectors. Make sure you have those firmly seated and snapped into place. And here's what it looks like installed in the case. And another angle. And then with the side panel on. Okay everyone, so I hope you enjoyed that. The last part of this video, I just want to take a quick look back at the spreadsheet, because since I purchased the RTX 3090, that has changed my numbers a bit. So I took the GTX 1080 off the spreadsheet and I added the RTX 3090. And quickly here, my total new component spend was $4,531.38. And then the carryover components that I purchased about a year ago or so are $752.48. So a total spend on the system of $5,283.86. Now, if you're building a system for video editing, you certainly don't have to go this far with it. The memory is a place where I could have probably done 64 gig instead of 128 gig. That would have saved some money. I probably didn't need to go with an RTX 3090. I could have gone with a 3080 and that would have been fine. So there are some areas where you don't necessarily need to go as far as I went, but this is, I think, a pretty good price for what the system is. Folks, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps other YouTubers find quality content and we really appreciate it. Click on subscribe and then click the bell to get notified whenever new content is added. As always, comments, questions, and suggestions are welcome below, and we thank you very much for watching.